In today's video, I'm going to show you real quick in 2 methods how to create QR code in Canva. Start by logging into Canva and opening project where you want to add QR code. On the left hand side of Canva interface, click on App section and in the app search bar type QR code and select QR code app by Canva. Click on Open to launch app, enter URL you want to QR code to direct to, customize QR code. You can customize foreground color, you can choose color of QR code itself, and background color. Select background color. You can set margin, and then click on Generate QR code. QR code will appear on your canvas. You can resize it and reposition as needed. Click on Share icon in the top right corner, then click on More in the bottom, and here click on QR code. If you want to turn your design into QR code, you can paste URL of your design and paste it here, and then click on Generate QR code.